Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn German with me. Our today's lesson is lesson number 42. Accusative case. Definite articles in accusative case. Den, die, das. Overview of this lesson. First I am going to tell you what is accusative case. Then definite articles in accusative case. Definite article is also known as best empty article. And then their examples. What is accusative case? A sentence is made up of subject plus verb and object. As I already told you in my nominative case series that subject takes the nominative case always and verb at second position and verb conjugate according to the subject. And today we will be talking about the object because direct object takes the accusative case. Subject takes the nominative case and direct object takes the accusative case. There are two types of object. First is direct object and direct object takes the accusative case. And second, indirect object. Indirect object takes the dative case. Dative case we will be learning later. Direct object takes the accusative case and indirect object takes the dative case. Now I am going to tell you how to identify the direct and indirect object. Direct object receives the action of a verb. For example, the mother fed her child milk. In this sentence, the mother is our subject, fed is our verb, her child is our first object and milk is our second object. Direct object receives the action of a verb. In this sentence, verb is fed. So the action is she is feeding the milk. So our direct object here is milk and indirect object is her child. Let's take one more sentence. My sister bought me a necklace. In this sentence, bought is our verb, me object 1 and necklace object 2. So what's the action of a verb? Bought. She bought a necklace. What she bought? Necklace. So in this sentence, indirect object is me and direct object is necklace. Now the best empty article in accusative case. Den. Den for masculine noun. Die. Die for feminine noun. Das. Das for neutrum noun. And die. Die for plural. Now the examples. Der Äpfel. Der Äpfel is a masculine noun. Ich esse den Äpfel. This is a accusative sentence because we have subject, verb and object. Ich is our subject, esse is our verb and den Äpfel is our direct object. We write den Äpfel because this is an accusative sentence and in accusative sentence definite article for masculine noun is den. That's why we write den in place of der, meaning I am eating the apple. Now the second sentence. Sie isst die Pizza. The pizza is our feminine noun. Sie is our subject, isst is our verb, the pizza is our direct object. Best empty article for feminine noun is die. That's why the pizza, meaning she is eating the pizza. Next example. Das Kind fährt das Fahrrad. Das Fahrrad means bicycle. Das Fahrrad is a neutrum noun. In this sentence, das Kind is our subject, fährt is our verb, das Fahrrad is our direct object. Das Fahrrad because best empty article In accusative case for Neutrum noun is das, meaning the child is driving the bicycle. Direct object takes the accusative case. Now the way frage for accusative case are wen and was, which means question words for accusative are wen and was. Wen for person, was for Sache. Sache means thing. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. You can also follow me on my Instagram account. Link in description. Bye.